Let's take here the question number 46. Which of the following statement is not, please notice, not true about acid rain? First option, it is due to reaction of SO2, NO2 and CO2 with rainwater. This is true statement. Causes no damage to monuments like Taj Mahal. This is wrong statement. So this is the correct option. It is harmful for plants. This is also true statement. Its pH is less than 5.6. This is also correct statement. Here, what additional fact you need to know that one thing you understand that is rain, normal rain. Just you consider here the normal rainwater. Normal rainwater is also acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. Its pH is around 5.7. What makes this one normal rainwater acidic one? There H2O water absorbs carbon dioxide from the environment, right now H2O plus CO2, and that gives here carbonic acid H2CO3. So this normal rainwater is also acidic. But then what is the meaning of acid rain? Acid rain is basically they're the little stronger acidic in nature, means here the pH value, acid rain pH is no lesser than, even there the 5 or there the 5.6, it is sometimes lesser than 5 also. What makes this acid rain? In the option 1 it is given. So you also know that oxides of sulfur and nitrogen make this one more acidic one. These oxides are easily soluble in water, reacts with atmospheric oxygen, and drifted away by the cloud to the greater extent, and means after traveling long distance that gets precipitated. So here this is very important one, that SO2 is soluble, that reacts with atmospheric oxygen in water, and that is giving here H2SO4, which makes this rainwater additionally acidic. If you take here the NO2, NO2 also reacts with atmospheric oxygen in there the water, right, rainwater, and we'll give here the HNO3. So these acids make this one significantly acidic one, and it has some hazardous effect. That's why acid rain is considered bad for environment. Here the main source of these gases SO2 and there the NO2 are basically they're the pollutants. These are considered as the pollutants, and main source will be there that industrial waste, there that industrial disposal, that only. Here you can say uh, volcanic eruptions, volcanic emissions. These are the main source of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, right? And how all these affect here environment, there that our life. Acid rain has no significant effect on the health of human beings. No significant, no direct effect on the health of the human beings. But here, one thing what you need to understand, this may be there in the form of other question. That's why I'm discussing here. Acid rain affects There the agriculture farmland, how that is affecting, because the alkaline nutrients of the agriculture farmland are neutralized by the acid rains, right? Acid rain water, and so the fertility of the land gets lost. Their plants, you can say the forest depletion is also involved here. Forest, aquatic life, aquatic life. Why? Because the water is polluted. There, the composition of the water is changed due to the heavy acid rain, and that is directly affecting here the aquatic life. As far some monumental status is there, as in this question you might have seen that Taj Mahal is concerned. How Taj Mahal is affected? The Taj Mahal, everyone knows this one, that Taj Mahal is mainly made up of the calcium carbonate. So when acid rain, I mean to say here, the acidic components like H2SO4, HNO3, these are coming in contact with the calcium carbonate. So the CaCO3 that reacts with H2SO4, and that will form here the calcium sulfate, H2O, in there the CO2, right? One thing you understand, that is turn yellowish. This is kind of erode, you can say the erosion. Right now, slowly one powder like substance is getting just getting over the surface of Taj Mahal, which is giving yellow, which is basically yellow in color. And very recently, you all are very much aware of one of the modern monument of India, that is the Statue of Unity. Yes, one of the huge structure monument here of modern India, that is also going to be affected in the coming days very badly because of acid rain. That is also surrounded by many of the industrial areas and their uh, emissions. Hmm, increases there the acidic component in the acid in the rainwater there, and that is going to be turned green in the coming 30-40 years, green in color, right? So all these things there, that this is one question, many other questions with many such facts uh, can be there in any other question of the acid rain. Thank you.